something shifted in UK urban logistics over the last 2 years, and most fleet managers missed it while it was happening. A van operating in inner London now pays £30.50 every single day in zone charges alone. Before fuel, before parking, before a single delivery is made. The businesses finding the clearest path through that are not the ones with newer vans. They are the ones that change the vehicle entirely. The CityQ is a 4-wheel enclosed electric cargo bike, legally classified as a bicycle. No ULEZ, no congestion charge, free parking at every stop, no driving licence required, annual running cost under £1,500. JCDecaux cut transport time by 50% across Paris. Blech Kurier dropped cost per kilometre by 28 cents. Lehrieder recovered 11 hours of daily labour from a single vehicle. The shift is already happening in the UK. The operators moving now are the ones getting ahead of it.